to you all looking hot mess and stuff. It's Vlogmas Day 5. We are late on the bandwagon of Vlogmas. We just decided to do Vlogmas, so that's why it's Day 5.
We don't know if we closed the garage door.
But yeah, we're out to go pick up our packages. We bought Christmas gifts early, so all of our packages are coming in, and
we don't know if we closed the garage door.
Yeah, we don't remember if we closed the garage door. We're halfway to our destination. More than halfway to our destination.
I don't care about wasting the gas. I care about what's in that house.
Okay, we think we live. I don't remember if.
I think I closed it. I'm pretty sure I did.
I'm gonna be mad if you close it.
I am. But it'll be alright. It'll be alright.
So we come to you. Well, we just woke up.
Yeah.
Here.
We missed our eye appointment. That was.
I ain't washed my face. All I did was brush my teeth. But yeah, we missed that.
What do y'all think? Like a middle tongue piercing or the tip? And neither is not an option.
What do you mean it's not an option for right now? Oh, look at his car.
I'm getting it tomorrow.
Girl. Anyway.
So you ain't gotta go to Vegas.
I think you should not do that now because a lot of people, a lot of employers don't like tongue piercings. Although you can have a tongue piercing at some jobs like McDonald's and daycare places, you can have a tongue piercing. It's not illegal, but they don't like it, so they automatically put you out of the running for the job because you have one. As soon as you open your mouth, they're ew, a tongue piercing. Because they have to think about what are their customers gonna think when you're speaking to them. That's what I would think, and I know that's true because that's what the dude from Thai Food Texas said. He said you can have a tongue piercing, you can have the bar piercing, but he does not like it because you want to look as professional as possible. He doesn't want colored hair. You have to look as professional as possible, and that's not professional. Having a tongue piercing isn't professional. So, and she mad.
In our ancestor days, that's what they used as beauty. So I'm kind of confused.
Nobody said it was ugly. I'm not saying it's ugly.
I didn't say it.
Okay, well, it's not that it's not ugly. It's just saying that that's how. Because if it was up to me, if I was my own boss or whatever, I don't care what you do. Well, no, that's not true. I do not like tongue piercings because it doesn't look professional. But it's not like I wouldn't base somebody, oh, I'm not going to hire them because they got a tongue piercing. No. If you have the smarts, if you have the customer service ability very well down packed, I would hire you. Now, if you didn't have that and you had a tongue piercing, like, no. And especially if you don't have the mindset of trying to learn, no, not going to happen. Guys, I'm recording on my phone, as usual. I mean, we don't have a camera. We should tell Mom to get us one for Christmas. No. A camera that he's probably never going to really use because he got a phone.
He's going to use it. He don't like it.
And then because he don't like sending it to everybody.
And it's like space that can be used for something else.
He really takes a lot of pictures though.
Nah, he does. In school, he does. He takes pictures. He gets paid. Boy had like 90 pictures of one person. I was like, excuse me.
That's too much.
You gonna take their photo shoot, so you gonna take mine too, right? Alright, man.
So, that's what I say on a tongue piercing. That's all. But yeah, guys, we're on our way back to the house. I really, really hope it's not closed because we done wasted gas
to drive 5 minutes back.
I want to do McDonald's still sell breakfast. Yeah, they do. They have breakfast all day. I know they have the sausage biscuits. That's what I want. Yeah, that's what I want, bro. Them things banging. Bro, nobody can tell. And then when you have the jelly, the grape jelly, you can't do strawberry. The grape jelly.
You know what bang though? That certain type of potato salad.
That
Certain type of potato salad.
from HEB? No, from Sam's Club.
Bro, that's the bang.
It's because it was sweet, but it had onions in it. I didn't like that.
It has sweet onions.
Yeah, no, I ain't like that. It was nasty. The onion part was nasty, but it was, you know what it is? They put sugar in it. And made it
Kaylin
sweet.
and Javon talking about.
That stuff make it hurt.
Me and Javon woke up, first thing we had some meatballs, and then had the potato salad. I'm sorry.
I stopped that puzzle.
I was like, bruh, that jump.
We can have different little segments.
This little part is long.
It is.
Come
But
in
guys,
this
we're gonna come back to you when we're done trying to see whether or not we close the garage door. So, okay, guys, we're in the subdivision. Let's see if we close the garage door. Get our reaction. This person driving so slow. And it is cold today. It's not cold actually. It feels good, but it's cold. You know, it's too cold to have on some shorts. Yeah, what we got on. I'm trying to look. Bruh. What the freak?
You want me to grab this here?
Yeah, go ahead. Really got. Bro, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Really? It was closed. Yeah, go ahead, grab it. Y'all, we just drove over here for nothing. We could have got our packages and then been headed back. But you know, you always gotta make sure because we've done that before. One time we went to our friend's house who lives 20-30 minutes away, and y'all, we forgot to close the garage door. Thank God my mom was coming home. Cause she saw it, she was like, y'all left the garage door open. We're like, what? Somebody could have stole our stuff. Thankfully we live in a decent neighborhood. Well, we live in a good neighborhood. You know, they're pretty, there's never really stealing going on around here. And if there is, it's like, our neighbors, they watch out for us. We barely talk to them, but they do watch out for us. It's crazy. She said she was gonna get the 10. Did she get the 10? Yeah, she got the 10. Huh? The doggy's mad. They be alright. They look. They only mad because you don't want to play with them. But y'all, my hair. Oh my gosh, it's a mess. It's my braids, my tracks. Ah! I'm not keeping my hair like this till Christmas. This is not happening. I think I really wanted to do box braids, but I'm not doing box braids on myself. I pay somebody to do them for me, but like, it's just the whole thing of taking it out. Or I can get, yeah, box braids. That's all I wanted to do. I wanted to get box braids. I just wasn't sure. Or I was like, well, if I do that, I could just do crochet braids. But then it's like, that's still a lot. Well, not really, because all I have to do is braid my own hair and just pay $60 for the weave. But I don't know what would I get.
Or you
like,
could spend $60 for box braids.
Yeah, but the box braids last one time. I can't ever use them again. Like crochet braids, you could take them out, take the braids out, the little whatever it is, twist braids, whatever. You could take them out and you put them back in, like I do mom's. Mom has had her crochet twist for what, 6 months now? Well, no, that's a new pair, but she has some that she's been had for 6 months, and she just got a new pair a month or 2 ago, and she's been rocking those. So now she has weave because I gave her my weave. Well, Jalen gave her weave, but she got my clothes on, so I didn't even use the closure brush. But that's what I was thinking of doing. But then it's like, what are y'all doing? People have to go places. Y'all, they got these tractors. Yes, they got these tractors.
Get off the damn.
Stop cussing, girl. You know your mama watch our YouTube videos.
Sorry.
Jesus, what? Why couldn't they have stayed over there?
God.
Jesus, isn't they dirtying up the road? All these tractors. You can go. It was only 3. It wasn't that many, but it was still too many for us right now. Shoot, we're trying to go get our packages. I'm trying to see what we got. I don't know if I want to get the boots. Actually, I'm gonna let y'all see.
Fam.
Because we're deciding to open our gifts, our Christmas gifts,
When
early.
no, I'm kidding. When everybody gifts get in, then we'll open.
Girl, we don't have a week. That's another week. About a week. But we're deciding as a family. What are they doing? Oh, they don't know where they're going. Yeah, bye. Because you don't know where you're going. Anyway, y'all be trying to get our gifts. I'm raging. But we decided
So they told me you and this road rage.
we decided to open our gifts early this year because we wanted Christmas to be all about family, all about, you know,
And getting our rest.
the birthing of Christ. It's not all about gifts, you know. And we couldn't just say, oh, we can't, like, our aunt and uncle and their family, they stopped doing Christmas, period. So they don't do Christmas. So they don't come over for Christmas. They don't buy gifts for people for Christmas. I mean, they buy gifts for their children and stuff throughout the year. So I guess that's probably why, you know. But when you've been doing Christmas for 18 years, going on 18 years, it's kind of hard to just stop and just say no gifts. You know, because when we buy gifts, we don't buy gifts for what we want. We buy them for what we need. So
if I know you need this and that.
yeah, so our mom, she needed boots. She needed some more boots. Like, she really did. Like, she's like, I don't have no close-toe boots anymore. She stole them and then worn them and then claimed that
she actually has one pair that I've never touched.
And they're worn. Like, they're bad.
No, there was one new pair that she bought that has a heel. It's a high heel that I've never touched.
Okay, well, either way it goes, she needed boots, flat boots. She needed some. Because I seen the ones that she had yesterday. She had one pair. And them jokers were disgusting. So I was like, alright, Ma. I didn't tell her I was going to get her some. But I was just like, alright, Ma. So dang, you do need to get some more. And I wound up buying her some boots. So it's something that she needs. I needed more winter boots. With the fur. I didn't get the boots that I wanted. But yeah, it's okay. I'm grateful because...
You didn't get no boots that you wanted.
No, I said I didn't get... I wanted Uggs.
Oh, girl, I was finna say.
Yes, but I was like...
Clean that up.
No, I just... No, don't turn the air on.
But it's hot.
Okay. I didn't get the boots that I wanted, but it's like I didn't need... Yeah, I didn't need those type of boots.
No.
I didn't need the...
You wanted cowboy boots and Uggs.
Let me finish. They're not Uggs. But that's what I wanted, cowboy boots and Uggs. I got the cowboy boots, but I did not get the type of boot that I wanted. But the boots are like, they're just boots. I don't need Uggs.
Y'all know spent like $50-something on some cowboy boots.
No, you didn't. It wasn't $50. They were on sale, Jalen. Thank you.
I
just went and saw the today the receipt. Yeah, it's $50 together. It was $50.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
No, you just said $50 for some cowboy boots. Like they're $50 each. No, it was not. I promise you that. It was 20-something. It was 23.
The total came out to be 50-something.
Yes.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes, that's not a lie.
I looked over, I seen cowboy boots, and I was like, alright, she wanted this boot.
How much stuff I didn't spend on you already?
But I'm not complaining. I'm just saying.
Oh, well. Either way it goes, yeah, that. And then, what else did I need? I said I needed. I didn't need. That was all I needed, really. And then it's like, I'd rather get it now, like, even, because I don't need the cowboy boots until the summer. But it makes sense to get them now, but they're on sale for the Christmas, the holiday sale, you know?
Then you got New Year's, and you got other sales coming up.
And then I wanted, I think I wanted, Crocs. I wanted, that's what I need, duck boots. Mom's gonna give me some.
The duck boots?
Yes.
Mama?
No.
The duck slippers?
No, the duck boots. You can give me duck slippers, but I want the duck boots. They're called duck boots, but they're, you know, the little boots.
Oh, yeah.
She hates those shoes.
Oh,
I want those and I want Crocs. That's what I want. But the duck boots.
If I get you duck slippers, I'm not getting you duck boots. You ain't getting no duck boots if you get duck slippers.
Okay, well, you can give me the duck boots.
I will get you duck slippers. I'm not buying those things.
Yeah, because you already spent $50. So.
Those things are nasty. I'm not spending no money.
They're not $50, but they're...
For boots, I'm not doing
the
that.
The boots are only 20-something.
I don't even like them, right now. So I'm not even going to buy them.
See, that's not right, because there's plenty of things I don't like, and I got you. That's not right.
Your mom can get you them. I will get you duck slippers, because I know you told me you wanted those. Your mom can get you the duck boots.
Asphalt. Oh wow. What if it just like rained on somebody's car? I'd be mad. If that was me. Oh, what? Oh, y'all paying for me today. And it's hot too, I think. It looked like it's hot. Yeah, it's asphalt. But
why is it moving?
Why what?
So that's just how they ride.
Girl, I don't know. Hold on. But y'all, we gonna not call y'all back. Lord.
We're gonna do some more vlogs, and if we go to Atlanta and I get my tattoo.
Well, we're doing a Vlogmas, so it's every day. But we're gonna.
Why is this thing moving? Like, is it gonna spill out?
I think, you know what I think it is? It's coming out through the. I don't know. Girl, I have no idea. I'm so confused. But y'all, we're gonna come back when we get our McDonald's, and then.
We're not going to this one right here.
Why? I want it now.
I can't even get over right now. So
You don't know what he's doing.
Kaylin, there's one on the way back.
I gotta wait that long.
Kaylin.
Okay, Kaylin. I swear, she just. Because this person might not even be going straight. This dude. See, that was your opportunity to just.
Nah,
You see how slow he driving? You could go right now. He's slow.
Okay. No, you gonna wait. Big baby stuff.
I'm not big baby. I'm hungry.
I know you're hungry.
But yeah, we're gonna come back to y'all when we get our packages.
This seemed like an extra long drive when we was going to.
Okay, guys, comment below if when you're on your period. Okay, guys, so basically, if your girl, when you know your period's coming, do you put on a pad 3 days before or a couple of days before your period comes just in case, or do you not do that? And also after your period stops, do you wear a pad just in case you have a little bit of leakage, just in case? Like, let us know. So yeah.